Welcome back to Tour Pack. If you're looking for an easy, healthy, and flavorful way to cook your meals, then a food steamer is a must-have for your kitchen. From vegetables and seafood to rice and even dumplings, these gadgets make it simple to prepare meals without extra oils or fats, keeping all the nutrients locked in. Today on Tour Pack, we're counting down the top 5 best food steamers of 2025, breaking down their features, pros, and even a few drawbacks to help you choose the perfect one for your lifestyle. Number 5. Ovente 2-Tier Electric Food Steamer. Starting off our list, the Ovente 2-Tier Electric Food Steamer is a compact and efficient option for anyone who doesn't need a huge machine but still wants versatility. With its stainless steel base and 2 stackable baskets, it offers a total of 5 quarts of cooking capacity, plenty for veggies, seafood, or rice. It runs at 400 watts of power, making it energy efficient, and includes a 60-minute timer along with an auto shutoff feature for safety. Cleanup is super easy since the baskets are dishwasher safe, and the small footprint makes it great for apartments or small kitchens. The only downside is its limited size compared to bigger models. But if you want a lightweight, budget-friendly steamer that gets the job done, this is a solid choice. Number 4. 13.7-quart electric food steamer. At number 4, we have the large-capacity 13.7-quart electric food steamer, designed for families or anyone who loves meal prepping in bulk. This steamer comes with 3 BPA-free stackable baskets, giving you enough room to steam veggies, rice, and seafood all at once. With 800 watts of power, it heats up quickly and steams efficiently, while the built-in 60-minute timer helps you cook with precision. It also includes boil-dry protection, so you don't have to worry about overheating. The sheer size of this steamer makes it perfect for large households, though it might feel bulky if you have a smaller kitchen. Still, if cooking big batches is your goal, this one is a lifesaver. Number 3. Bella 2-Tier Food Steamer. Coming in at number 3 is the Bella 2-Tier Food Steamer, one of the most popular models thanks to its mix of functionality and user-friendly design. With 7.4 quarts of cooking space split between 2 stackable baskets, you can steam fish in one tier and veggies in the other, all at the same time. The baskets and lids are dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and easy. Plus, it comes with auto shutoff and boil-dry protection for peace of mind. The removable base also adds convenience for refilling water. On the flip side, it's not quite as heavy-duty as some stainless steel models, but for everyday healthy cooking, the Bella steamer is reliable, affordable, and efficient. Number 2. Hamilton Beach Digital Electric Food Steamer. At number 2, we have the Hamilton Beach Digital Electric Food Steamer, a model that really hits the sweet spot between functionality, convenience, and size. With its 2-tier stackable bowls offering a 5.5-quart total capacity, it's designed for families or anyone who wants to prepare a full meal all at once. You can steam vegetables in one tier and fish or chicken in the other without any flavors mixing, which makes dinner prep both healthier and more efficient. One standout feature is the automatic keep warm function, which holds your food at the perfect temperature after cooking is finished, so you don't have to rush to the table. The steamer is also cleverly designed for easy storage. The bowls nest neatly inside each other when not in use, so it doesn't eat up precious cabinet space. Cleanup is equally simple, since the bowls and lid are dishwasher safe. While it might not have the massive capacity of some larger steamers, this is actually a plus for most kitchens. It's compact enough to fit comfortably on your counter, yet powerful enough to handle everyday steaming tasks. All in all, the Hamilton Beach Digital Steamer is an incredibly practical option that combines user-friendly features, smart storage, and reliable performance, making it a go-to choice for anyone who wants to add more healthy cooking into their routine. Number 1. Cuisinart STM1000 Digital Glass Steamer. Taking the number 1 spot is the premium Cuisinart STM1000 Digital Glass Steamer. This steamer is all about performance and style, featuring a sleek stainless steel base and a durable glass steaming pot that holds up to 5 liters. Unlike most plastic-based models, the glass container feels high-end and is perfect for those who prefer non-plastic cookware. With 1,875 watts of power, it delivers fast and even steaming for vegetables, grains, fish, or even full meals. The digital LCD controls make it super intuitive with preset functions for different foods and an automatic keep warm mode. Yes, it's more expensive than other options, but if you want a powerful, long-lasting steamer with a modern design, the Cuisinart is the clear winner. And there you have it, the top 5 best food steamers for 2025, right here on TourPak. Whether you want a compact budget model like the Ovente, a family-sized powerhouse like the 13.7 quart, or a premium glass design like the Cuisinart, there's something here for every kitchen and cooking style. Which one of these steamers fits your lifestyle best? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TourPak for more kitchen gadget roundups and smart home cooking tips. Until next time, cook healthy, eat well, and keep exploring with TourPak.